So Mama has her own bottle and I have my own bottle. We'll show you, okay? 5 minutes later. So this is my bottle, but it's for school. So it's dirty. Is it clean?
No, we are not trying.
No.
This is for Caro.
No.
Caro, here is your bottle.
No. I wanted to do a TikTok. Go and give us a thumbs up for more energy.
Yeah. We're already tired and we just started. Come.
Give me a thumbs up. Oh, good luck. Good luck. My lucky charm in the jewelry box. When I need it, when it's the harder part, that's when I want to take it in.
That's the back. Good job, Mom. I know.
You need water.
We are going the last one, the fastest. Cute. Let me just do it for the last one. Stretching. Guys, we're sweating so much. See? Guys, can you see how we're sweating? This is no joke. Oh, ew. Look, she's sweating so much. Today you broke a sweat. Let's finish. We're doing the stretching again.
Like you broke. I'm not even dusty.
Yeah, you're not dusty. Come, let's say what we do.
Okay, guys, look at my sweat. Mom, look how my sweat is going.
Wow. So guys, we've sweat so much. It wasn't a joke. But it was fun. We did it for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, but look at my sweat. It's bigger than mommy's. Right?
I'm sweating so much.
Yeah.
I have sweat so much. But I think it's also because we haven't worked out for like a month. The whole month we haven't worked out. So we are back to working out, guys.
And then...
Yeah, so we were doing it.
And I need to wipe it.
Yeah, let's go. Now I'll shower. We'll shower and then we can make a smoothie. Let's see.
Wait. You mean I have tissue paper for us to wipe. Get drinking so like a queen.
Because I'm fancy.
No, I don't.
Shika, let's wipe. Try. I mean that you try wipe. So guys, that was insanity.
Insanity!
And because we haven't worked out for so long,
and I'm doing good some days.
you did so well.
Yeah, and I sweated a lot.
You did so well. You
Smell
sweat so
it.
much. Oh, I don't want to smell your sweat. Why would I want to smell your sweat?
See you later.
So let's make a smoothie. We're gonna make a smoothie. We're trying to be healthy, trying a healthy lifestyle, but also healthy because you know what? We're making donuts after that.
And also
all the working out
makes us to eat candy.
But now we'll be working out every day. Hopefully, we can be working out every morning before we do anything else, right? Yeah, so guys, I'll catch up. Let's shower, then make a drink, a smoothie.
Okay, see you later.
See you.
Look. Dun, dun.
Okay, so guys, let's see if I've been losing any weight or I've just been playing around. I want to weigh myself. So, the last time I weighed was what? A few months ago. Not a few, a good number of months ago. I used to be like 80, so I know I've lost weight. But now I just want to see how much I weigh right now. Let's see.
I'm moving. Let me try to stabilize. That's how much I weigh, guys.
Okay, give me two.
Let's wait. So, how many kgs do you think you are?
I think I have
23.1.
So guys, I'm 74.8 right now, 0.7 there, 0.8. I'm hoping to get to 70 hopefully in the next few months. Yeah. So guys, we are done showering. I just want to show you a few things that I've been using on my face. And I did a video when I bought this. This is a vitamin C serum. My face had started like acting up. Like, Caro, can you at least not lick your fingers so much?
I want avocado.
Yeah, I'm giving you please. Anyway guys, I have been using this vitamin C. It's been like 3 weeks. And it's working just amazing, guys. Can you see this tiny vitamin C thing? I don't know if it can be seen here. So this one has been so I've never used vitamin C. Let me show you what I've used before. So I've used the ordinary. This is ascorbic acid and alpha arbutin. Can you see that? But I didn't even see that much of a change, maybe because I didn't use it for long enough. But with this vitamin C, guys, I just saw results like in the first week, the second week. My skin had started clearing up, started being so soft and smooth. And even right now I haven't applied anything. I've just applied it and it's even like over now. I've just applied kidogo and you can just see my face has really improved. All that crackiness and dryness is ending. Then I also bought these. Did I tell you I bought these vitamin C at Miniso in Sarit Center? I'm gonna go buy more of this because this is lasting like 2 weeks, 3 weeks and it's over. And they don't even have bigger sizes than this. So I'm just gonna buy a number of these ones. Then I bought this eye cream. This is like the same company but gold eye cream. Yeah, so this one has been okay but not even as good as that vitamin C. So this one is just for my eye area and I haven't even used so much, but I've noticed that it makes my eyes not so dry. I usually feel so dry around my eyes and this one has been at least helping with that. And I'll keep on applying it and just see how this works out. So that's it, guys. Let me go make a smoothie. Caro, have you been seeing me applying vitamin C?
Yeah.
What do you think about it? I heard you saying something about it. What it makes my skin.
It makes your skin soft.
Yeah, right? It makes my skin soft. Even Caro has approved this one. So let's
my skin is soft to the way.
Yeah, because you're a kid. But
and guys, let me show you my beautiful skirt.
Guys, Kara, I was asking you, so guys, we want to make a smoothie now. I have bananas, avocado, mango. What do you want in your smoothie? Mangoes only. Kara just want mangoes with some yogurt and some milk.
And
I want ice. I know you want ice cubes in your smoothie. For me, I'm gonna use bananas and mango
And
for my
ice cube.
smoothie. I'm not gonna add the avocado.
An
also.
ice cube.
And ice cubes and milk and yogurt, yeah?
Yeah.
So let's make that.
Bro, it's going to taste yummy.
And some milk.
And
I
some
use this. Oh my god, this looks so good.
Where's the ice cubes?
See, they have been crushed. Now you're just gonna feel them when it's cold.
Mine is better because it has a fancy cup.
So guys, here, this is the banana mango one.
This is mine. Comment down below who is mine.
It's so good, but I know yours also is good.